Today on The Dirty Shop, we're building a small outdoor chicken pen for when you got your little baby chickens. You want to put them out on the lawn for the day or something like that. Stick around. All right, start this project out. Materials, I've got 5 sticks of 3/4 inch by 10 foot PVC. I've got a roll of chicken wire, and you can only find 4-foot wire, but 5-foot wire would be better because you only have to use one, or you only have to use 2 pieces of it. But I couldn't find any of that, so I'm stuck with 4-foot wire. And then I've got 3 2x4s, and these, or something that's a 2x4-ish size. It would probably be best with the pressure treated stuff, but I didn't have any of that. So just being cheap for using stuff I already had. And I cut 1 1/2. So I've got 2 8-foot ones, and I've got 2 4-foot ones. And now we're gonna put the sucker together. All right, so it turns out I was thinking of running my wire long ways with 5-foot sections, so we go all the way to the top. But in this case, I had 4-foot sections, so I ran it archwise, and it worked perfectly fine. So, but to wire these together, you don't need to run another separate piece of wire. You could just clip one of these joints there. I'll zoom in on that, so you can kind of see. Just clip your joint between the two, and then just take it and wrap it around, and you can wire it together that way on each one. And you could do the same on the other side if you want. And clip here, and just wrap these back and tie the whole unit together that way. And it's really simple. We could do the whole thing that way. Bloody fingers.
No kidding.
It's a sign of working with fencing wire.
So annoying.
Yep. Sweet. There we go. It's all done. It's turned out pretty nice. Maybe there's obviously lots of things you could do this. You could put a little door on it to make it a little easier to get the chickens in and out, and you could build a little coop pin inside of it for somewhere for them to roost at night if you wanted to do something like that, pin it down to the yard. But the nice thing about this is we can take it and drag it around in the lawn and have a nice little chicken pen. So thanks for watching. See you next time on Dirty Shop.